Let me show you something.
This picture is worth $0, but if we turn it into this custom design, you can sell it for $70 or more. That's the power of personalized products, and you will be surprised at how easy it is by using AI. And I will show you the secrets of using AI to start a successful personalized business like this one, or this one, which is currently making $1,300 a month. It's actually crazy. At first look, you will say, wow, this is a real artist. But, surprise my friend, they are using AI. And honestly, I didn't spot it right away, but when I saw that lady's hand, I was like, hold on, something's not right. Even those pants, bro, it looks a bit weird, isn't it? And on Reddit, people are discussing this listing and asking about the best tool to create something similar. Because usually, you'd have to pay an illustrator on Fiverr, for example, to draw your images, which could cost quite a bit. I'm speaking from experience, because about 2 years ago, I started this German store selling custom cartoon pet illustrations. As you can see, I was selling digital and physical art, offering a variety of customization, which was a fun experience for the customers. So I ran it for about 2 months and was actually able to make some money and build a solid customer base. So all these images are actually from real customers of mine. And I even got to the point where I was paying actual actors to create custom UGC ads. However, the profit margin wasn't big enough, as I was paying my illustrator around $10 to $15 per image, which significantly decreased my profit margin. Unlike now, where you can create these images in seconds using AI without any experience and make thousands of dollars. So unfortunately, I ended up shutting down the store. But I've learned a lot. So if you want me to build a new store using AI and try to make money together, let me know in the comments. And now, let's have some fun. I'm gonna show you how to turn any image into this high-quality cartoon illustration. But that's not enough fun. I will also show you how to swap faces with any image, similar to this bestseller that makes over $2,600.
It's actually crazy.
For the first one, we will need ChatGPT and Midjourney. And let's use the same listing image as an example. So first, we will head to ChatGPT and upload our image. And then we will ask it to describe the image in terms of characters, poses, and background.
A woman holding a young boy. They both look at the camera.
We will have a detailed description of the image that we can use in Midjourney later. So after we have the description, we will head to Midjourney. I'll show you how to do it on the web version first and then on Discord. First of all, make sure Midjourney is set to the latest version, 6.1, as this updated version will reduce the hand and fingers issues we often see. After that, we will paste the image description we generated before, and at the end of the prompt, add the art style you are looking for. In this example, it's Pixar cartoon portrait. And most importantly, upload your image and click on the character reference option right here. And by doing this, you will generate a cartoon version of any image you want. It might take a few tries to get the best results, but most of the time, it will look amazing, just as you can see. Now let me show you how to do the same on Discord because it's a bit different. Let's use this image right here. Then again, use ChatGPT for the description and head to Midjourney. First, upload your image in your server on its own. Then click on it and copy the link. Then use the typical Imagine command and write down the image description with the art style. But this time, you need to add --CREF and paste the image link. And just like that, you will have the illustrations ready. Look how beautiful that looks. But now let me show you this listing right here. A bestseller selling custom royal portraits, where customers choose a background, like a royal or historical setting, and then upload their photo. The artist then takes these two images and blends them together to create this custom art. With super high demand and high profit margin, this listing makes over $2,600 per month. Nothing special. Now, I'm not 100% sure if this listing uses AI, but what I am sure about is that you can do the same thing with AI with just one click. Let me show you how. So first, we need to generate these royal historical images to swap faces with. This could be easily done in Midjourney by giving the prompt to generate a portrait of a male or female Roman emperor. Or you can explore what people generate and copy their prompts. So let's take this image and use this person's face as an example to show you how to easily swap faces. So first, head to this website called vidnaz.com. From the top menu, hover over Free AI Tools and choose Photo Face Swap. You've heard it right, it's actually free. Now here, by source image, upload the royal picture you've generated. And right below it, upload the customer image. And then simply click on Swap Faces Now. And you've done it, my friend. Yeah, that's it, and they are making money, and you don't. And you can actually swap multiple faces as well. Let's turn this cute couple into this emperor couple. This time click here on multiple face swap and then upload your source image. So as you can see, the tool automatically recognizes all faces, and next to each one there's a plus icon to swap the face. So I will click here to upload the female face and then here to upload the male face. And by clicking swap face now, your image will be ready in seconds. This is actually mind-blowing because this tool alone opens up so many opportunities to make money. See this brand called Turn Me Royal? It's one of the biggest brands specializing in this niche. They constantly run paid ads and were able to build a solid customer base because what they do used to be hard to replicate. But not anymore. You can actually do what they do in just one click.